The Watcher. Watching you, watching me, watching you. Alright. Gotta work the body to free the mind. A little bit of push-ups, a little bit of sit-ups. Alright, Desolate Tract is now purple. Anything else turn purple? No. Still don't know where that outer rim connection is. Okay. We're next to a portal. But like we haven't been in this map very long. Let's kind of look around still. I'm gonna fill out that map a bit. Problem. Obviously, there's something to the bottom left. But I can't get back. Fuck you. I'm now gonna eat you. Alright, egg bug, you've been saved today. I leave you, this centipede. Okay, we could go through that rift. Where the fuck am I? Oh, there I am. I am so lost. Hold on. Chill out, game. Chill out. Okay, Alright, well, I guess I want to explore, but I have to figure out how to get back. Let's take the portal in front of let's take the portal in front of us. Rusted Rex. Okay. Oh, them's be spore puffs. Interesting. Gonna run into more mud lizards. A lot of spore puffs. I hear water. What do we have this way? Sure, there's a shelter. We are going to save. I'm really sad. I don't have like a wonder. I'm wondering if like, you know, it'd be fucked up. How much of this new karma do we have? We're at 4, I think. What if we need 5, whatever this new karma is? And then there's like Watcher, sort of like how the base game, you need to have Survivor before you can unlock certain passages. What if you need 5 of Watcher's new karma to be able to start getting Watcher passages? That would be brutal. I'm really interested though to see like a Watcher passage with visiting all of these. I feel like it would be kind of sad if we don't have any new passages or any Watcher special passages. I will say Watcher is definitely I don't think other Scugs could do Watcher stuff. Even though like base game Scugs could do Metropolis and such, I feel like the other Scugs would have a bit of a struggle. The Watcher. Okay. I'm guessing this might be down at the water level. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Hit me with the drop. Hit me with the drop. Woo-hoo-hoo! Welcome, Doodle Connor. We're currently jamming to this beat the game just dropped on us out of nowhere. Ooh, speaking of good music, how was Subnautica? I don't know if you got a raid and run, but that is no scale off of my tail. Thanks for stopping on by. At the very least, though, I implore you, you know, stand up, wiggle around, leave a piss, take a water, grab some water from some place where you didn't piss. I would say probably something cool and refreshing and filtered. I mean, that would be my opinion. I mean, you do you, I guess. If y'all don't know me, I am Dreki, Draconic Serpent, Flightless Dragon, or simply where I'm on the internet. We are continuing yesterday's marathon where I went 18 hours in beating the new DLC that dropped yesterday for Rain World. We are playing The Watcher, and things are weird. So, if you are a Rain World aficionado and have been eyeballing the DLC yourself and do not want to be spoiled, thanks for stopping on by. I hope to see you another time. If you don't care about spoilers, or you don't really, it's fine, and you're sticking around, enjoy the weirdness. We're fucking lost. Pulling your way towards the end game. Nice! Yeah, Subnautica 1 has some pretty great stuff. We have not seen a single creature in this area yet. That I find to be concerning. There we go. Do just a bit of floating. If y'all came over from Doodle's place and you forgot to give them a follow, make sure you fix that by pressing that button. Doodle Connor is a wonderful artist and gets up to all sorts of shenanigans. That's where we came in from. So bottom right is something new. I think top left is also something we haven't been to. Gotta work on our initial map of the area. What's that rumbling noise? Hmm. Colored pearl up there. Neat. And what if we go up to the top right there? So much to explore. What a delight. Okay, let's not fall into presumably the water. We're looking to lay down for breakouts. What do you think? Thanks. I hope you have a wonderful, rejuvenating eep doodle. I, for one, support any and all napping. We have found a lot of pearls. I see some weirdness going on down there. Do I just drop? Grab a pearl. Ah! Presence already binds this place. Well, that sure means something. I don't know what, but it sure does. Let's see. Go left. It's the place we've been to already. Okay, what's off to the left? Ooh. So many leeches, but also jellyfish. Okay, there's nothing further left, so let's go ahead and go through this. More pearls. Are we gonna see some scavenger pirates? Yarr. Bees. Okay. That is a lot of leeches. All right. We have acquired bees, chat. This will be a weapon that may be useful for us. I feel like we're gonna run into like a water world situation. Like scavengers have made some kind of like floating ship base thing. I can't think of why else there's so many dang pearls, if not because of scavengers. Ah, shit, the cycle's almost over. That's not good. Well, I hope there's a place to rest inside this building. Shelter, shelter. Desert, not a shelter. Okay, okay. Thank you. It is a shelter. Awesome. Perfect. See, I told y'all. Fixing the Dreki Lizard Jam GIF to forever loop. It's given us all the luck. Making some solid progress, baby. Now, if only I could find that weird echo again. Another karma flower. Dead end. Okay. Means... I'm gonna find a rift to open over here. Still nobody. So spooky. Where is everything? Alright, you don't count, bud. You're just food. Okay, well that inks. See what's over here. Ooh. Okay, that's a new place. Okay, so I should maybe go that way. Yeah, that seems like be the way to go. So what happens if I go over here? So serene. That is swimming, and I want to swim. But I gotta figure out what's going on in that room. Dreki, you're supposed to go into the up area. So dead. The air is so still. That feels solemn. Bones of ancient machinery. Buildings crumbled. Lying dead. Barren. Only seen jellyfish and leeches. Huh, I got a shelter here. Okay. What does it look like? Ooh, It's a cool shelter. I left my pearl and beehive behind because I was just kind of checking this side out. Trying to... I feel like this connects to... back to where we started. Just on the other side. Yeah! Alright. Perfect. Giant circle. Trapped in a cycle. Got it. How are we on food? We could eat a jellyfish. Ah! Hey, Cookie Cat. Welcome to the Ziggurat. I hope you enjoy your time here. Okay, let's go get our stuff. We do want that pearl to give a scavenger, because I do need to fix my reputation. I kind of sort of oopsie doodled it. And this cycle's kind of getting a little low. Kind of concerned. So we're just going to go back to that shelter and EB Skeege. Oh, fuck! No, not the leeches! Oh, thank you for your help, Pat. Those drums. Inticus does not miss. And now that we've connected that part of the map, we can comfortably just go right. I don't know why I have the bees. It's funny. Okay. Here I go, watching again. There's that. Aw, thank you. I appreciate it. All credit to... Where's my credit button? Where'd it go? There it is. Yeah, Sapphire. They're the ones who art and rigged it. I think she does the darn good work. Maybe I should update that link to her blue sky. She made one. I think she's been posting stuff fairly regularly on there. I think she does really good art with like fine textures, feather, hair, fur. I feel like those in particular just really stand out to me. It's always fun seeing what she's got cooking. Now let's go to the right. Nice little wall pounce. I'm wondering if, like, you'd swim through to here. Is what would happen. Uh-oh. Leeches. Still do want to check that swim. I, for one, love our Savior Bubbleweed. Oh, there's a pole there. That was a little hard to see. Okay. Interesting. This place has been pretty good about its shelters. Uh-oh. Okay. Leave our bee and our pearl there. Just in case. I want to double check the swimming. See if it connects to the area. I think it does. Okay, how do I... Ah! Shit. Shit! Ah, I see how I can get up there. Grab one of these. And we swim. Swim, swim. Ah. Concerning. We have a midpoint. More pearls. Again, kind of weird. There are so many colored pearls here. We haven't seen a single scavenger. See. Okay, those two do connect. Did I miss anything? I did not. You know what? I think that's okay. I like that. I like this little area. It's very simple. You've got bubbleweed. You have a backup bubbleweed in case someone is bad at navigating. It's fun. I like this. Even though there's leeches, the bubbleweed pushes them away. I think that's a fun little route. I like this place. It's very barren, which lends to the desolateness. 10 out of 10 water. Doesn't have corals. The coral snails things. So it's by definition better than sublimation, which is basically the new the Watcher submerged superstructure. Okay. We have time on the clock. We're gonna poke our head into either side. Kind of scout the area. I see. We have a portal here. Noted. Okay. Let's rest. I feel like what I'm gonna need to do after the Watcher, when I'm done with everything, I'm going to need to make a zone tier list. I feel like I've been building up opinions, and I feel like that could be a whole thing. Okay. Keep this pearl because I want to. Okay, how do we get to the right? Considering we know that objects will come with us through the portal, it's a little ominous to have all these bat flies, because I feel like it means it's going to drop us off in some place that is just barren. Tell us your opinions, Snake Man. One thing's for sure, I am full of pinions. Or is it onions? Could be both. Did the bubbleweed? There they go. There we go. I ate my vegetables. Hey, does this just connect back over? Interesting. What do we have over here? Ah! Get off me, leech. Be gone! What are you, a landlord? Get off of me. At least it's not jungle leeches. What do I think of the drill crab? I am confused by them. I don't know why they hate me. Accidental fast fall. At least it didn't kill us. I feel like I need to like actually try and specifically interact with them. Because I tried giving them a spore puff. I tried hitting them with the spore puff. I tried like crawling near them. I feel like throwing spears at them isn't the right one. Maybe I just need to not be holding a spear. That's not a hole to grab, is it? It is. Why was I not getting enough distance? I'm so... Okay, that was kind of weird. What if creature just exists? You know what? Good for them. I support them existing. I like how they bounce all over randomly whenever, like, they do their thing. They're just like, I'm gonna drill now! Vroom! And they just kind of like, dang, 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 dang. Good stuff. Good stuff. I actually also want to run into scavengers so I can stop carrying this damn pearl and fix my reputation. Okay. Alright. I think that might be just a whole... I feel like there's going to be another portal all the way over there. The fact that we see a shelter and now it's going to be on our map, we're going to go back and take that first portal. I'm concerned if I explore too much further. I mean, I could just die, but I want to keep the karma. Love when Crab said it's drilling time and it drilled all over the place. Exactly. I support crab wrongs and crab rights. Except for the toad. The parasite toad is terrifying. And I can't wiggle off of it. And I need more spore puffs to deal with them. I also want to know what the heck is up with the mud lizards and possibly permanently debilitating you. Okay, hold on. I need to get my beehive. What, do you think I was gonna leave that thing behind? Heck no. Pearl and beehive. Dual wield of the century. You want to eat? There we go. Alright, I'm full. Alright, what are we connecting to? No, 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 my pearl! Sunlit Port. Okay. Shit. Well, there goes our pearl. I release bees. I really wish I had been able to snag that squid cicada. Okay, we are full of chocolate, so there's no reason to eat. I am not gonna go down. As everyone knows, going down in Rain World means centipedes, and I don't want to deal with centipedes, so we're gonna go right. Squid! Squid, come here. You son of a bitch! Get over here! I want to grab you. Get back here. Come on, come on. No. Yes. Yes! Alright, chat. Now we're squidding. It's squidding time. Okay. Feels very metropolis-y. Which means we'll have like an upper and a lower zone. Ooh, has a water zone too? Interesting. Drop wigs. Thanks, I hate it. Huh? Okay, going into cloaking mode exhausts the squid cicada. Noted. Alright. Well, buddy. Bye. Anyway. Hey! Fuck you doing? Oh, there's a shelter there. I need that. We ain't mucking around here. We sheltering. All right, I'm liking this area. I kind of like the lighting is sort of Metropolis in the evening. So it's got sort of that burnt orange light. I love the zappy electrical noises. I'm going to scream. I'm going to die. I'm going to live because you suck. That Dropwick has got butterfingers. Damn. Bit me twice and then dropped me. Didn't even kill. Absolute noob. Ah. Okay, we got noodles. They fly. More news at 11. No. No, it's an accident, I swear. I swear. I am alive. Ah! Ah! Science, save me! Science, save me! No, 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 no. Don't do it! Don't you do it! Don't you do it! Ah, you failed. Hold on, let me finish eating this. Where's my damn spear? All right. We need to finesse this. Hiya! Ah, shit! Hiya! Ah, shit! Ah, oh, right in the, oh, not there. Oh, skewered me. All right. Well, let's go get our karma flower. I lost a fencing duel to the noodle fly. Those dang baby noodle flies need to be less grabbable. Dang it. Yeah, you just kind of reach out and grab it, and then they're like, help me, help me. Bleh. Anyway. Let's go to the right. I don't know if that was a portal or one of those not portals that I don't know what does. No shot! You are a fucker! Fuck you! Alright, well, our karma flower's a lot closer now. God, I hate drop wigs. Yarr, fuck. Okay, it is a portal. All right, well, we didn't explore a lot of that area. I do want to go back, though. We'll check it out another time, see where this goes. No, 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 not a windy place. Oh, blast deck. Fucking... Oh, man. And I went from, man, I love this area to, can we go back? Hey, it's a scavenger. Unfortunately, I no longer have the damn pearl. I will give you this spear. We are now friends. Okay, let's rest, lock in the new area, and also check our map. See if we see any new connections. Wait, Blastek is part of Aether Ridge? Wait. Okay. Okay, we are one jump away from getting back to Coral Coast. I can finally close the loop, so to speak. Or yeah, one jump. Okay, where's the place we jumped from? Sunlit Port. Interesting. Our dodecahedron's starting to fill out, chat. It's becoming a shape. I tell you what. Yeah, Aether Ridge, Torrential something, and Coral Coast are probably the three that, like those early maps that I have not explored very much, I believe. We have temperature in Aether? No, we just got wind. A wind, bae. I don't want to deal with the wind. Don't make me deal with the wind, man. That is a death pit. Okay, so just go up this, right? Yeah, here we go. Ooh, I'm invisible. Where am I, lizard? You'll never know. Hey, Tsukino. How are you doing this Saturday night? You stopping on by ready to get gooped up on a Saturday night? I think you said you were playing some Rain World, but I think you're playing base game maybe? Or MSC? Always ready to goop. Ah, okay. Okay. Well, we are in the place that I believe has the cum factory, so that's great. Gonna be great to interact with that again. That is bait to kill me. I cannot get that karma flower. Yeah, it's all the white stuff draining down. Just oceans and oceans of white stuff. What else could it possibly be? Our friends the moths! Get him! Get him! Fuck him up! Fuck up that vulture! Rip and tear! Okay, unfortunately, they're also blocking that pipe. Let's see if I can help our mothy friend out. I hate wind mechanics. No, lactose intolerant skug. No, moth! Hello, moth. Do not. No! No, don't do it! No, don't do it! I thought we were friends! You son of a... Alright. Bye. The moth has taken me, chat. Oh, that's the first time it just flat out killed me. Usually it just like drops me. Alright. I don't know why the moths went from friend to enemy. And it makes me very sad that they've done this. Because the moths are really cool. I like their blepper. Okay. It's time for us to be stuck in a cycle, chat. It's almost like we're playing Rain World. Would you let the moth drink you? I mean, moths have like the proboscis like foldy tongue. It's very gentle. I assume it would feel nice or ticklish. These moths, however, will grab you with their leggies and fly you away. I am not a beverage. I don't know. Snakes are pretty straw-shaped. Alright, well, we got one blueberry. We'll just have to take it. Also, annoyingly, the moths can see us when we're invisible, somehow. That's a thing. I'm not a Capri Sun. Ah, man. See? We landed in... I need a squid for that. I feel like our karma flower may be out of reach now. I hear the fluttering of the squids. They are simply beyond my reach. Well, there's the blue lizard. Stay away. Leave me alone. Do a bit of wiggling. Go up here. Wait, actually, hold on. Could we? Now that I think about it. Okay, no, not like that. I think we can do... Actually, we might be able to do that. Oh! All right, baby! Let's go. Ah, shit! A lizard. At least it's not a lizard wizard. The blizzard lizard wizards are quite a pain. This fucker, though, is in our way. I'm trying to make noise to attract him. Okay, maybe we just become visible again and do a pipe juke. Come on, buddy. Come on. I will push you off. Okay, now there's a blue lizard. Maybe that'll change the dynamic. Oh, my dog. Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Fight over me. Fight over me. It snapped my neck. I think? No? I'm still alive! I live! I die! I live again! Release me! Foul beast! Ah! We're doing a runner! We have a lot of lizards. Do I know this place? Need to be in a safe spot. Oh, okay. Okay, I know where we are now. I know where we are. We've been through here. So that upper area is new. Oh, sweet ninja Jesus. The moths descend. Okay, I have a rock now. But I need spears. Okay. We can get to Coral Caves by backtracking now. Oh, they've... Damn. They fucking killed that blue lizard. Fucked up. Last time I just went down. I didn't even notice being able to go up here. Interesting. Okay. Climb up here. And go up here. Alright, that's not a plant we can grab. There's a shelter here. Nice. I would like to avail myself of that shelter. But I need food. Is there food this way? There is food. Oh. Ladders. Okay. Wait, but how am I supposed to get up there? Oh, there's a pole here. Okay. Nice, nice. All right, we are going to lock in with that new save spot. Is that a... It's a rock. Damn. That would have been a nice save spot to know. I know I struggled getting through progress through here. I just didn't know. I didn't know about this save spot. Sucks to suck. By suck, I mean be me. Hey, game? 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 What are you doing, game? What? That's such a... Okay. That was weird.